So what's up guys, welcome to HTML tutorial, and in this class we will be learning about style tag. So I will say style.html, and this file will be getting saved on the desktop. Now I will write my boilerplate code. This is the basic code. So now what I'll do is I will declare one header. I will say this is heading 1. And when it comes to the style is basically the attribute which is used to give the styling to our elements. And now let me just provide the styling on this first element, heading h1. I will say style. Okay. And if suppose I want to change the color of the text, then what I will say is I will say give the property as color. I will say color, and after that I will specify the name, and whatever color that you want to give, specify the name over here, and hit enter key. Okay. And just put a semicolon over here. Okay, so when it comes to the style tag, style is identified with these two colons. Inside of the two colons you should be giving the property, and after property we are giving name of the property, we are giving this colon, and then the value. Okay, so this is known as the property and the value pair, and whenever you are making use of the property and the value pair, they should be terminated with the help of the semicolon. Okay, so first of all you should be saying property, then the value. Over here property is color and the value is yellow. Okay, so now if I'm just saving this, the text what will be printed will be having the yellow color. I will go to my desktop, I will execute my file, I will double click on this. So now as can be seen, this text has been rendered in a yellow color. If I want to give some different color, if I'm giving green, if I'm just saving this, coming over here and refreshing, then the color of the text has been given green in color. Okay, and now if suppose let me just make one paragraph, and I will provide style over here also, and I am again making use of the lorem. And if suppose I want to change the background color of this, if I want to change the background color of my paragraph to something like red, then I will be saying the background color, and I will be giving the value as red, and I'll be also putting the semicolon over here. If I'm just saving this, coming over here and refreshing, then there is this paragraph will be printed, and for this paragraph the background color will be red in color. Okay, so this is how you can make use of the properties. If I want to give the multiple properties, then I can do that as well. If suppose I want to change the background color of this heading h1, then I can do that also. I will say background color, and I will say yellow. Okay, so you can give the multiple property and the values also, but make sure that the property and the value pair is separated out with the help of the semicolon. So currently this is one pair, which is this is one property and the value pair, and this is second property and the value pair. Okay, so now if I'm just saving this, coming over here and refreshing, I'm not getting the output. There must be some error over here. I am not getting the output. There must be some error. Okay, so I'm not getting the output because I have made the spelling mistake in the name. So now it should work. Okay, so now I am displaying the header h1 with the green color and the background as yellow. Now the next property what we will be looking at is known as a font family. Okay, so now I will make use of a header h2. I will say this is second part, and then I will make use of paragraph tag. I will make use of the lorem, and I will give the 20 words, and inside of this I will make use of the style tag and I will give the property as a font family. Okay, so as can be seen, it is giving some, it is giving you the suggestions. Okay, so these many properties are there. I will say font family, and it is automatically giving you the values over here. So whatever font family that you want to give, you can give. So I'll be saving the cursive, and whatever content that is there inside of my paragraph will be written in the cursive handwriting. I'll save this and I will refresh. So as can be seen, it is written in the cursive handwriting. If you want to change the font family, then you can do that also. Okay, so I will say, I will give this value. Okay, so currently as can be seen, it is having the multiple values. Okay, so this is the first value, this is the second value, and this is the third value. So currently it is having three values because if suppose your browser is not able to render the content of the paragraph with this in this font, then it will be going for this font. Okay, so it will be rendering the content of paragraph in this font, and if it is failing to render the content in this font, then it will be going for this last one. Okay, so because of which currently we are giving the three values. I will save this, come over here and refresh. So as can be seen, this first property has been applied, which is a Korea new, and because of which I am getting the text in this format. And next property what we will be looking at is font size. Okay, so if you want to change the size of the font, then you can do that. I will give that on this heading. I will say style, then I will say font size, and you can give the values as a larger, medium. You can give these values, or you can even say 100 pixels, 10 pixels, and let me just save this and refresh. So now it can be seen it has changed the size to 10 pixels. If I am saying something like 200 pixels, and if I'm just saving this and coming over here and refreshing, so as can be seen, it is way too big. You can even give in terms of the percentage. You can say 20%. Okay, come over here and refresh. Okay, so this is the 20%. So you can specify the font size this way also. So now if suppose you want to align some text, I am making use of the header h3. I will say this is third title, and now I will make use of style. I will say text align, and these are some of the values. Okay, if I'm just saying center, then this content at the center of this third element will be getting rendered at the center. If I'm just saying left, it will be going to the left. By default everything is at the left. Then right, let me just put it at the center. Okay, I will save this. I will come over here and refresh. Okay, so now it can be seen I'm getting the third title at the center. If I'm just saying right and saving this, coming over here and refreshing, and it is going to the right hand side. Okay, so this is how you can make use of the text align property. Now let me just make use of the paragraph, and I will say lorem 8, and I will apply the style property over here on this, and I will give the property as what property should I give? Okay, so there are different type of properties present over here, which we will see in our future classes, but as of now I think this is enough for y'all, because since you are beginners, you won't be able to understand this high level things. We will be covering this in the CSS. CSS is basically the completely new language which we will see in the future, and I will show you all guys how to make use of the different properties over there. But since you are a beginner and you are learning about the style tag, I think this much is enough for you all. So thanks for watching. This was all about style.